Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to walk you through how I personally create an investment portfolio on Google Finance. This is something I use all the time to track my stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. It's a great way to visualize my investments and monitor performance over time, especially if you want to keep everything organized in one place. Once I'm on Google Finance, the first thing I do is head over to the right-hand side of the screen where it says Portfolios. If you've never created one, no worries. You can easily set up a new portfolio by clicking New Portfolio. I usually give it a name that makes sense for me, like My Stocks or Tech Investments, and then press Save. Now my portfolio is ready to start adding investments. To add a stock, ETF, or even something like Bitcoin, I click Add Investment, type in the ticker or name, select the number of shares or units I purchased, and add the purchase price. You can also choose the date you bought it so that Google Finance tracks it accurately over time. Once you save it, your portfolio starts showing real-time updates, gains, and losses, just like it's a live account. I personally like to check portfolio highlights to quickly see which investments are performing best, or I'll go to the main portfolio view to see a complete summary. This gives me a full picture of my total investments, which is very helpful for planning, adjusting, or rebalancing. So, that's basically how I create and manage an investment portfolio on Google Finance. Very simple, very straightforward, and super effective for anyone who wants to track multiple investments easily. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps you set up your own portfolio, understand how it works, and feel confident in tracking your investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.